Welcome to the lecture on electromagnetic field theory. In this lecture, we will solve some of the numericals on basics of vectors and numericals on vector differential calculus. In that, we will solve problems on divergence of vectors, curl of vectors, gradient of scalars. So let A bar is 2ax bar plus 3ay bar plus 4az bar be a vector at point A 2, 3, 4, comma, where ax bar, ay bar and az bar are unit vectors. Therefore, the vector A bar is given by its magnitude and direction. Therefore, A bar magnitude is A and direction is A bar. That is pointing from origin 0, 0 to a point A. And the magnitude of A bar for the given vector is given by under root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square is equal to under root of 29, and the directed unit vector is given by A bar by A is equal to 2ax bar plus 2ay bar plus 2az bar divided by 29. Next, to find the distance between 2 points using vectors A 2, 3, 4 to B 5, 6, 7 as shown in the figure. Here RAB is the distance between A and B, and AAB bar is the unit direction vector. Given, we can write the point A234 in the vector form as A bar is equal to 2x bar plus 3ay bar plus 4az bar, and the point B in vector form can be written as B bar is equal to 5ax bar plus 6ay bar plus 7az bar. Therefore, the distance between point AB is RAB is equal to B bar minus A bar, that is 5ax bar plus 6ay bar plus 7az bar, close the bracket, minus inside the whole bracket 2x bar plus 3ay bar plus 4az bar. Therefore, RAB bar is given by 3ax bar plus 3ay bar plus 3az bar. Therefore, magnitude of RAB bar is RAB is given by under root of 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square is equal to under root of 3 into 9 is equal to, therefore RAB is equal to 3 under root 3. And the directed vector AAB bar is given by RAB bar whole divided by RAB, 3ax bar plus 3ay bar plus 3az bar whole divided by 3 root 3. Therefore, AAB bar is given by 1 by root 3 inside the bracket ax bar plus ay bar plus az bar. Then addition and subtraction of vectors. Let A the vector at 2, 3, 4 and B be the vector at 5, 6, 7. Addition can be done as A bar plus B bar. Therefore, the given point can be written in the vector form as A bar is equal to 2ax bar plus 3ay bar plus 4az bar, and B bar is equal to 5ax bar plus 6ay bar plus 7az bar. If you add A bar plus B bar, you get 2 plus 5 7x bar, 3 plus 6 9ay bar plus 4 plus 7 11az bar. Similarly, it can be subtracted like A bar minus B bar. Then 2 minus 5 will give minus 3x bar. 3 minus 6 is minus 3y bar. 4 minus 7 is minus 3az bar. Multiplication of vectors. There are two types. One is dot product of two vectors. That is given by A bar dot B bar is equal to magnitude of A bar and magnitude of B bar cos theta is equal to AB cos theta, where theta is equal to cos inverse of A bar dot B bar whole divided by magnitude of A bar to magnitude of B bar is equal to cos inverse of A bar dot B bar divided by AB. Here AX bar, AY bar and AZ bar are unit vectors along X, Y and Z axis originating from the origin. AX bar, AY bar, AZ are mutually perpendicular to each other. Therefore, X bar dot X bar is equal to AY bar dot AY bar is equal to AZ bar dot AZ bar is equal to 1. This is the angle between X bar dot AX bar is 0. And X bar dot AY bar is equal to AY bar dot AZ bar is equal to AZ bar dot X bar is equal to 0. Since angle between AX bar and AY bar is equal to 90 degree. Next, cross product of two vectors A bar cross B bar is given by magnitude of A bar into magnitude of B bar into sin theta. Perpendicular direction of A bar cross B bar is AN bar. Therefore, A bar cross B bar is given by AB sin theta AN bar. So, direction of A bar cross B bar is perpendicular to A bar and B bar. Therefore, AX bar cross AY bar is equal to AZ. AY bar cross AZ bar is equal to AX. AZ bar cross AX bar is equal to AY bar. And AX bar cross AY bar is negative of AY bar cross AX bar. To solve some problem, to find the dot and cross product of the vectors A bar and B bar and find the angle between them. Given A bar is equal to 2AX bar plus 2AY bar plus 0AY bar and B bar is equal to 3X bar plus 4AY bar minus 2AZ bar. Therefore, magnitude of A bar is given by under root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 0 square is equal to under root of 8 is equal to 2 root 2 and magnitude of B bar is given by under root of 3 square plus 4 square minus 2 whole square is equal to under root of 29. Therefore, dot product is A bar dot B bar is equal to 2AX bar plus 2AY bar plus 0AY bar dot 3AX bar plus 4AY bar minus 2AZ bar. This will get 2 into 3 is 6 plus 2 into 4 8 plus 0 into minus 2 is 0. Therefore, A bar dot B bar is equal to 14. This is scalar. Since AX bar dot AX bar is equal to 1 and AX bar dot AY bar is equal to 0. Therefore, A bar dot B bar is equal to AB cos theta. Therefore, 14 is equal to under root of 4 into under root of 29 cos theta. Therefore, cos theta is equal to under root of 29 into 4 is 116 whole divided by 14 is equal to 0.918. Therefore, theta is equal to cos inverse of 0.918 is equal to 23.2 degree. And cross product is given by A bar cross B bar is equal to AB sin theta AN bar. In determinant form, A cross B bar is given by unit vector X bar, AY bar, AZ bar. Magnitude of the vector A bar as AX, AY, AZ and magnitudes of the vectors B bar is BX, BY, BZ. Given AX is equal to 2, AY is equal to 2, AZ is equal to 0, BX is equal to 3, BY is equal to 4 and BZ is equal to minus 2. Substitute these values in the determinant. We will get A bar cross B bar is equal to AX bar, AY bar, AZ bar, 2, 2, 0, 3, 4, minus 2. This is equal to AX bar into bracket 2 into minus 2 minus 0 into 4 minus AY bar 2 into minus 2 minus 0 into 3 plus AZ bar 2 into 4 minus 2 into 3. Therefore, A bar cross B bar is equal to minus 4AX bar plus 4AY bar plus 2AZ bar. Magnitude of A bar cross B bar is given by under root of minus 4 whole square plus 4 whole square plus 2 whole square is equal to under root of 36 is equal to 6. Therefore, magnitude of A bar cross B bar is equal to 6, and magnitude of A bar is A is equal to 2 root 2. Magnitude of B is equal to under root of 29. Therefore, sin theta is given by magnitude of A bar cross B bar divided by AB. 6 divided by under root of 116 is 0.395. Therefore, theta is equal to sin inverse of 0.395 is equal to 23.2 degree. Same angle as obtained in the dot product. Next is triple product. In that we will get scalar triple product. That is A bar dot into bracket B bar cross B C bar is equal to A bar dot determinant AX bar AY bar AZ bar BX BY BZ CX CY CZ of B bar plus C bar. This is equal to AX bar AY bar AX AY AZ BX BY BZ CX CY CZ, and vector triple product is given by A bar cross B bar cross C bar is equal to B bar into A bar dot C bar minus C bar into A bar dot B bar. We'll solve one problem to find the scalar and vector triple product of the vector A bar is equal to AX bar plus 2AY bar plus 3AZ bar, and B bar is equal to 2AX bar plus 3AY bar plus 4AZ bar, and C bar is equal to 3AX bar plus 4AY bar plus 5AZ bar. Here given AX is equal to 1, AY is equal to 2, AZ is equal to 3, BX is equal to 2, BY is equal to 3, BZ is equal to 4, CX is equal to 3, CY is equal to 4, CZ is equal to 5. Therefore, scalar triple product A bar dot B bar plus C bar is equal to 1, 2, 3. The first row, the values of vector B bar 2, 3, 4 in the second row, and values of the vector C bar 3, 4, 5 in the third row. Then if you simplify, you get 1 into 3 into 5 minus 4 into 4 minus 2 into 5 minus 4 into 3 12 plus 3 into bracket 2 into 4 minus 3 into 3. Therefore, A bar dot B bar plus C bar is equal to 1 into 15 minus 16 minus 2 into 10 minus 12 plus 3 into 8 minus 9 is equal to, we get 0. Therefore, A bar dot B bar cross C bar is equal to 0. If D bar is equal to B bar cross C bar, then A bar dot D bar is equal to 0 indicates that D bar cross C bar is perpendicular to A bar. Next is vector triple product. A bar cross B bar cross C bar is equal to B bar into bracket A bar dot C bar minus C bar into bracket A bar dot B bar. First we will calculate A bar dot C bar. Here A bar is given by AX plus 2AY bar plus 3AZ bar. Close the bracket dot inside the bracket 3X bar plus 4AY bar plus 5AZ bar. Then you take dot product. 1 into 3 is 3, 2 into 4 8 plus 3 into 5 is 15. This A bar dot C bar is equal to 26. Next A bar dot B bar is equal to 1 by X bar plus 2AY bar plus 3AZ bar dot 2X bar plus 3AY bar plus 4AZ bar. We get 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 is equal to 20. Therefore, A bar dot B bar is equal to 20. Substitute 2 and 3 in 1. Therefore, A bar cross B bar cross C bar is equal to 2X bar plus 3AY bar plus 4AZ bar into 26 minus 3X bar plus 4AY bar plus 5AZ bar into 20. This is equal to 52X bar plus 78AY bar plus 104AZ bar minus 60X bar minus 80AY bar minus 100AZ bar. Therefore, we get A bar cross B bar cross C bar is equal to minus 8AX bar minus 2AY bar minus 4AZ bar. Next we study divergence of vector field. This gives the information of field coming out or going inside the surface. Divergence of d bar is equal to dou by dou x dx plus dou by dou y dy plus dou by dou z dz in Cartesian coordinate system, and delta d bar is equal to 1 by r dou by dou r into r dr plus 1 by r dou by dou phi into d phi plus dou by dou z dz in cylindrical coordinate system, and delta d bar is equal to 1 by r square dou by dou r square dr plus 1 by r sin theta dou by dou theta sin theta d theta plus 1 by r sin theta dou by dou phi d phi in spherical coordinate system. To find the divergence of the field at a specified point, let us consider d bar is equal to 1 by z square 10 xyz ax bar plus 5x square z ay bar plus 2zq minus 5x square y az bar at point minus 2, 3, 5. Given field is in rectangular coordinate system, therefore delta d bar is given by dou by dou x dx plus dou by dou y dy plus dou by dou z dz, where d bar is dx x bar plus dy y bar plus dz az bar. Therefore given dx is equal to 10 xyz divided by z square. Therefore dou by dou x dx is equal to 10y by z, and dy is given as 5x square z divided by z square. Therefore dou by dou y dy is equal to 0, as there is no term of y. Next dz is equal to 2zq plus 5x square y divided by z square is equal to 2z square plus 5x square into z raised to minus 2. Therefore dou by dou z dz is equal to 2 into 1 plus 10x square z cube z raised to minus 3y. Therefore divergence of d bar is equal to 10y by z plus 0 plus 2 plus 10x square y by z cube at point P x equal to minus 2, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 5. Substitute in the above equation, we'll get delta d bar is equal to 10 into 3 by 5 plus 0 plus 2 plus 10 into bracket minus 2 whole square divided by 5 cube into 3. Therefore delta d bar is equal to 6 plus 2 plus 120 divided by 125 equal to 8 plus 24 by 25 given by 8.96 coulomb per meter cube. Therefore delta d bar is equal to 8.96 coulomb per meter cube. So this is the surface area or volume area. Suppose the field is coming inside the surface area or volume area, then it is divergence of d bar is negative and less than 0, and it is going out, then divergence of d bar is greater than 0 and it is divergence, and incoming field is equal to outgoing field, then net divergence of d bar is equal to 0. Here delta d bar is equal to rho v is a Maxwell equation. A rho v is volume charge density in coulomb per meter cube. Next, d bar is equal to 5z square air bar plus 10 rz az bar at p 3 minus 45 degree 5. In cylindrical coordinate system, delta d bar is equal to 1 by r dou by dou r dr plus 1 by r dou by dou phi d phi plus dou by dou z dz. But d bar is equal to dr a bar d phi a phi bar plus dz az bar. Given dr is equal to 5z square, therefore 1 by r dou by dou r dr is equal to 1 by r dou by dou r into 5z square is equal to 5z square by r, and d phi is equal to 0 given, dz is equal to 10 rz. Therefore dou by dou z dz is equal to dou by dou z into 10 rz is equal to 10 r. Therefore delta d bar is equal to 5z square divided by r plus 0 plus 10 r. Therefore at point P 3 minus 45 degree and 5, we will get delta d bar is equal to 5 into 5 square divided by 3 plus 0 plus 10 into 3 is equal to 71.67 coulomb per meter cube. Next problem, d bar is equal to r sin theta sin phi L bar plus r cos theta sin phi A phi bar plus r cos phi A phi bar at point P 345 degree minus 45 degree. In spherical coordinate system, delta d bar is equal to 1 by r square dou by dou r square dr plus 1 by r sin theta dou by dou theta sin theta d theta plus 1 by r sin theta dou by dou phi d phi. But d phi d bar is equal to dr a bar plus d theta a theta bar plus d phi a phi bar. Given dr is equal to 2r sin theta sin phi, therefore 1 by r square dou by dou r square dr is equal to dou by dou r square into 2r sin theta sin phi divided by r square. This is equal to 6 sin theta sin phi. And d theta is given as r cos theta sin phi. Therefore 1 by r sin theta dou by dou theta sin theta dot r cos theta sin theta is equal to r cos 2 theta sin phi divided by r sin theta. And d phi is given as r cos phi, therefore 1 by r sin theta dou by dou phi r cos phi is equal to minus r sin phi divided by r sin theta. Therefore delta d bar is equal to 6 sin theta sin phi plus cos 2 theta sin phi divided by sin theta minus sin phi divided by sin theta. Therefore at point P, delta d bar is given by minus 2 coulombs per meter cube.